Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And y'all, I know it's lover season, but my Halloween heart was calling and y'all know I had to answer. Instead of doing the traditional Valentine's Day glam, I decided to go the more non-traditional / anti-Valentine-ish route, whatever you want to call it. Either way, it's fairly simple and super easy. So if you'd like to see how I done this look, then keep on watching. Me realizing how bad the black backdrop is washing me out and that I probably should have just stayed with my white background, but we're gonna make do. Anywho, grabbing my Morphe 35B Color Burst palette, I'm gonna be taking the bright red, a little heart stencil that I just cut out myself from a small piece of paper. And I'm just gonna hold that up to my eyes like so and trace it with the red shadow. I'm gonna be doing one heart right side up and the other upside down. Next, I'm just going to be grabbing this red NYX lip liner and I'm going to use it to fill in my brows. Then going directly on top of that with the black shadow from the same Morphe palette. I just kind of wanted my brows to be the perfect blend of black and red. Moving on to a little bit of liquid liner. I'm going to be winging it out just a little bit, not much at all. Next, I'm just going to grab that same black eyeshadow on this tiny detail brush, and I'm basically just going to outline the red around my eyes, you know, just to add some dimension and make the heart stand out a lot better. So I'm just going to add a little bit and then smoke it out so it's not so harsh. Real quick, I'm going to add some lashes off camera. Bam! Alright, going back to the red lip liner, I'm just going to be mapping out the natural hollows of the skull. On a normal skull, you would make the hollows black or gray, but for this one, we're going all the way red. Now for the teeth. I'm first going to take some of that black eyeshadow and make a straight line through the center of my lips and all the way across, just so there's that definite separation. Then, taking a black liquid liner pen, I'm going to start drawing on the teeth. I attempted to make each tooth heart-shaped, but it's much harder to draw upside-down hearts on your lips than it looks, I swear. But I tried and they worked, so we're just gonna go with it. Next, I'm gonna go back and grab some more of that black shadow. Just start deepening up that red and adding more dimension. Then I just felt like the teeth needed to be a little bit more cohesive, so I just decided to take that red lip liner and fill them in as well. And lastly, I thought my 5 head was looking a little extra big considering my hair is completely up and out of my face, and we also have so much going on the face. So I just took whatever eyeshadow was left on my brush and just very lightly gave myself some dimension just to help tie that big old forehead of mine into the rest of the look. Go ahead and laugh, but you know it helped. Alright guys, that's it. Literally so simple. Who says you gotta be all cutesy on V-Day, huh? Be unorthodox, have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next one.